Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. In today's practical, we'll see how to use a dialog for an alert requiring a decision. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. You can provide a dialog for an alert to require users to make a decision. A dialog is a window that appears on top of the display or fills the display, interrupting the flow of activity. For example, an alert dialog might require the user to click continue after reading it, or give the user a choice to agree with an action by clicking a positive button such as OK or accept, or to disagree by clicking a negative button such as cancel. In Android, you use the alert dialog subclass of the dialog class to show a standard dialog for an alert. In this practical, you will use a button to trigger a standard alert dialog. In a real-world app, you might trigger an alert dialog based on some condition or based on the user tapping something. Create a new project called Alert Dialog based on the empty activity template. Open the activity main.xml layout file and change the root view group to relative layout. If the text view element includes any layout constraint attributes, remove them. Make the following changes to the text view. Extract the text into resource tab_test. Add a button with following attributes. Extract the text into resource alert button. Extract the dimension value of margin top to the value of button_top_margin. Next, we'll add an alert dialog to the main activity. First, add the onClick showAlert method to mainActivity.java as follows. Set the title and the message for the alert dialog inside onClick showAlert. Extract the title and message into string resources. Add the OK button to the alert with setPositive button using OK click listener. Extract the string resource for OK and for pressed OK. Add the cancel button to the alert with set negative button and on click listener. Display a toast message if the button is clicked and then cancel the dialog. Extract the string resource for cancel and pressed cancel. Add show, which creates and then displays the alert dialog to the end of onClick show alert. Run the app. You should be able to tap the alert button to see the alert dialog. The dialog shows OK and cancel buttons. And a toast message appears showing which one you pressed. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Keep watching BackToCoding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.